Hello, I'll be trying to explain to you how for statement works in Python. Basically, for statement help us to iterate over collections. Here you see three collections, C1, C2, C3. They are of different types and different nature. They have different structure. Let's iterate over the first collection. Iterating basically means I'd like to apply the same procedure to all of the elements of my collection. So how do I do that? I use basically this for syntax to do that. For followed by the variable name, followed by the in. For and in are the keywords, and in is followed by the collection name. Let's make a demonstration. Here I applied the print function to all of the members of my collection C1. Let's do the same thing for C2. As you can see, I can use any name I want to designate the members of my collection. Here I used C, here I used OP. Now there are some collections that require different type of iterators. For example, if I want to use the same iterator that I've used in the previous example, let's see what we get. Here we see only the keys of our dictionary. Let's go back and check it out. As you can see, we can only see the keys of our dictionary if we use the natural or the normal for in statement for iterating over dictionaries. Now we can request another iterator from the dictionary object by calling items method on the dictionary object. Let's do that and see what we get. As you can see now, we not only have keys but also the values associated to it. So this is how you use for statement for iterating over collections. Thank you for watching.